photo the whole time. It's just. I love you, but shut up! It's under your stationary blah blah. Oh, that's the clip. That's the clip, Lauren. Any kind of sorry. On the door that you're doing, you're not necessarily doing the door. And this isn't just a regular, yeah, it is a regular door. This door is meant for, this is, oh my God, a bunch of doors. Nail it to the door. Then the actual jamb is meant for. Damn, I was doing good too. Sure, if that's what happened here. What am I trying to say? But it's gonna work. My God. It's with this door, but this might be a door. What's known as a 2x4 framed house. Just start from the, what could happen, what could have happened is actually the reason that, did I just say that? That is the reason that this is happening? Mm-hmm. Okay. So now I'm gonna create the extent, let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below, is stupid. Am I talking too much? Okay. At 7/8. Whoops. Tight or, damn it. Pre-primed pine ain't what it used to be. Oh, damn it. Oh, God. Oh, God. That's what it's gonna be like. Ow. But the glue's frozen. Hello, mister. What?
It exploded everywhere.
No, it didn't.
No, I said if it.
Oh, definitely need a new blade. I gotta go real slow so it doesn't chip this stuff out. Cut. Got this wire here that has nothing to do with anything. Okay. Okay, try again. Oh, hey. But to try and get these back on here, it's going to be quite easy, actually. Did you see me struggle? Did you see the? Yeah. Okay. We need to add some funny to it. Oh, hey. Run away, Lauren, run away. Ow. Where do we go from here? Hi. Bless you. Thank you. Ooh, Spidey. Get back here. The Sawzall. I go all the way downstairs for that. Ugh. What a pain in the ass. Well, that didn't work very well. That was kind of dumb. Ah! Place that I've never stood in my house before. Isn't that so cool? Look. Never stood here before. Okay. So don't really want to split these. So you've got to go in a strategic place. Where you split it like that. It wasn't strategic enough. Come on. What in the world? Come on, Nat. Wire number 2. Haha, I said number 2. Like a boss. Tight squeeze. Can I side hammer it? Oh my God. Why was that so easy? Man, it would suck if this ladder broke. Or if I fell.
It would suck if I have to throw this camera to the floor to save you.
Yeah. Just let me go. It's my time, it's my time. These are live, so I better not miss. I knew that was gonna happen. It's okay. It's okay that it broke. Don't cry, guys. And I can put that. I hate doing any kind of insulation. Don't worry about it. It's gonna work. I hope. Twisted it. Whatever. Hope I'm doing this right. Yes, I am cleaning up as I go because I don't want to track this all over the house so that my wife goes, "Did you do drywall today? Did you do drywall?" Yeah, I did drywall. I'm doing the thing. Oh, because it's like white all over the floor. Yeah, I know, I did drywall. And I stepped in it and, oh, it's got white all over the floor. I love my wife. Sorry. That's probably her. It definitely is. Underneath the mistletoe. Trust me, I play a professional on YouTube.
This is embarrassing.
Trying to be cool. That's what it always seems like anyways. I'm so stupid. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. That is not what I measured. Oh, you're never gonna see that. It's not necessary, but it'll make it kind of nice. You know. Maybe I could cut this even, like a little stair trim. Blink, and then cut that and be like, nying, nying. Nice. Baseboard, door trim. Hey. Is it soundproof? There's no hope with dope.
Damn it.
Oh. That was unfortunate. This is difficult.
Yeah. My hand's numb.
Exactly 45 and a half. That's just for you, Lauren. I'm just talking to you. That one's gonna be, I'm just talking to myself.
Oh. Nope, wrong one.
Just get some screws in it. Screws junk. Yes, it is the screw. You've never seen nothing like that. Never. Stop it. Stop dropping screws. You're right, Lauren. It is the screw. My back hates me. Shut up. I missed! Already? Did I not mark it properly? Oh my God. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Screwing where somebody put a mark. It's not my mark. You kidding me? What? Way too much. What the hell? Oh my God, it's going the wrong way. Don't show any of this. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Oh God. I'm gonna need that gun down there. Sorry. Not today! Oh my God. Quay. Ah. Get in there. You like what you see? Okay. Please cut. Should I even do this for a living anymore? What am I even doing? You just gotta look at it. I'm blaming it all on the angles of this tight quarters here. I have excuses for days, and that's one of them. Let's screw it off. Yeah, screw off, will ya? Good good start. Pretty sure there was a stud here, but I don't know where it is. Maybe I should use a me finder. That's going over here. Okay, cut. Freaking madhouse. Ow! Coda. Oh my God.
We're never gonna get this done.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Holy shit balls. Why? Why do I do that? Like,
The ladder will catch you.
I just thought of something. I didn't watch the new Ghostbusters and now Halloween's over. I mean, I've already seen it, but I wanted to watch it again for, you know, Halloween. My life is over. You're gonna be cutting a lot of this out, Lauren. Gotta be more careful. Ugh. No! So. Okay, first coat. This is the tape coat. First coat is the second. Oh, it's because it's a reopen. So I can stop at any time, take a break, take lunch, edit, reply to comments, play pickleball. My fingers in the mud. Fingers in the mud. All right, just do the best you can with what you got. I don't even know what that means. Cut that out. Like that. Ah! Did you see that? So there's some dried up stuff. Sometimes you just gotta leave it alone, Matt. Because then you end up doing this, and you get frustrated, and you just load it up with so much mud. It's not f***ing fun. It's seriously, like, really bad. I don't even want to show this. Oh boy, I hope I'm mixed up enough. I hate mud. I know, I'm in your way. It's driving me nuts. See? It's like this never dried. That's what they make sanding sponges for. I don't get it. I gotta get this trash down a little bit. Whoops. Ah. Come on. It's a basement. Who cares? Man, I wish I was doing textured walls. This would be easy. That's why people do textured walls. Not because of the look. That might be the excuse for the person doing it. I look so much better. No, that's not the case. It's just easier. Admit it. Admit it! It's easier than flat walls. Wow, I could say that that looks pretty good. There's 1 out of 15, right? We're trying to be positive, right? Okay, sorry.
No, I think it looks good.
I think that one came out good. This is difficult.
Except that one spot.
Hey! Start from the bottom, work your way up. Can you see that side? All right. Oh, you're filming already. This is a fast setting. You know what it is. Easy. That's why I love this Easy Send 5. Same thing. I always like to do a second coat because yet another tip. A big... You might not know what this means, but I do. So, makes sense for me. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. The fire is so delightful. Since we know a place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Merry Christmas! I can even take away some of these paintbrush strokes. Never mind. Right, Lauren?
Right.
I'll make them dizzy, Lauren. Lauren, you are going to make everyone sick.
Just seeing what it looks like.
Yuccas. It's gonna be a close one, close one, close one. Gonna be really close. If I want to do a second coat on this, I need another gallon. That's unfortunate, but oh well. Really hoping to cheap out on this one. Girl, the sand and smudge so fine.
Oh my god.
I got them all today. I got them all. Did I get you?
A little bit.
This hat's pretty gross, huh? Hey, little lost paper towel, wanna come with me? Sure. You don't want anybody missing the sound of me being an idiot. I know you can't see this. I don't care. I don't care if you can see this or not. Coat of hair not included. Oh, good. I hit the frickin' side already. Don't show that corner. Smooth. 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 This is a pretty thick roller. Did I get this for something else? For a rough surface? I can't remember. Can't remember what I got this for. Definitely, I forgot what I bought a 1/2-inch roller for. What the hell project was I doing? It would have been like cement. Oh. Oh. I'm okay. Go all the way up and all the way down, Lauren. Faked you out.
Dead.
Dun, 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 dun. I'm done. I'm using the cheap tape this time because I got yelled at by you guys. Don't use the green tape. That's so expensive. You just used like $40 in green tape. So there you go. Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby? Da 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 da. Baby, 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 oh baby. Best singing you've ever heard in your life. Oh man, that's going all over the house. I hope this is the last time I have to do this in this house. I'm sorry, Coda. The sides, the wall color. Just nick that. Fingernail. What's the origin of that name? Is it French? Italian? I don't know. My father thought of it while shaving.
Oh, good God.
Get it, Lauren?
I do.
Nick!
Sorry, we were close up. We didn't get that beautiful face.
I said, didn't come out too bad. There, was that good? Was that a good reenactment?
That was great. Thank you so much.
You know, truth is, I probably could have cut this piece off, but I have no idea how the structure is underneath it. Like this little bit, is it helping? I don't know. It's been there for so long that I ain't gonna touch it. You could put little trinkets on it. It would be awesome if I just disappeared out of this shot. The stairs collapsed.
Yeah, so fun.
No, it wouldn't be awesome. Oh, whatever.
I'd love to call your wife and tell her.
I mean, I wouldn't be happy about it, but the shot might be cool.
Yeah, not all the paint on me.
Oh, that's what you're worried about.
Yeah. Not just your back.
Did you fall through the stairs today? The stairs are broken. There's paint everywhere. I'm gonna get in so much trouble. Did you do drywall today? There's white all over the floor. Did you paint today? There's paint on the floor. It's the right bit. Lauren, it's the bit. These tiny little, what the hell are these?
Pegs.
Pegs. Can you move that one down to the bottom? I think the ones on the top should be bigger. Hang in there. A Dyson that you plug in. You may have seen it many times. It's stupid. You kidding me? Drive on a nuts. Why is it so difficult? I'm not doing it. Trying to set me up. Do you remember?
Yeah, no, I don't know if there's wires in there.
Okay, come on. Bye. And then these two pieces. Stop. And then these two pieces. And then these two pieces. Oh, that didn't work. Oh man, one nail shy. Seriously? I'm gonna say it. That's not going anywhere. Ooh, I am, however.
Oh gosh, these stairs.
Hello. Make this look good, Lauren. You can probably cut. Don't look at my butt. Hello? Hello? How's that on your ears? Should have been a dentist. Okay. Hey, definitely scratched it right there. Whoops. Okay. And this one is pretty affordable. Cha-ching. So everything's completely dry, and that stuff did a great job. Where was I going from there? I'm gonna use 2.5-inch construction screws. These are for construction. Some screws will say construction, but they are not that strong. It'll say right on the box, not for construction. To catch on something like your skin. Don't want it so far out that it looks like I'm a dumbass. If you notice, I put tape on my bit because sometimes they pop out. I could probably get a new, what's that thing called? Something that holds the bit?
Extender?
Extender? No, I don't know what it's called. I could probably get a new one that wouldn't do that, but they happen with good ones as well, and it's really annoying. Everything's looking square. Hey man, don't be a square. Your world, squirrel. It was a 19-something Buick Skylark. Yeah. Get it together. Literally, don't ever use a drill as your hammer. Perfect. Hey. How was that shot? Get a good mask shot and do something like sandblast it if you really wanted to go that far. Having trouble seeing? When we make this video, we should put in the classic SpongeBob, 4 hours later. Don't get it caught on your drop cloth. Don't do that. I already warned you not to do that.
Don't get it caught on your drop cloth.
Careless. Don't forget to get where the sun don't shine. Is that a carpenter ant? I gotta spray for carpenter ants, is what I gotta do. I mean, it's black, so I guess it'd be okay on the driveway. I'm gonna repaint this. What do you think? We'll do it anyways, huh? I feel like we should just go bold and paint it black. It's black or white? You tell me in the comments, yeah. Let's start with the most basic bitch thing. By the way, my dog is not a psycho, as I talk about him destroying my windowsill and my wall and everything and saying he hates the mailman. He is a very sweet dog. He just gets excited, and he's 100 pounds, so he's a big fur ball. I love him. Skip through this pretty quick, Lauren. We'll pretend it's not. No, we won't. Primer. Primer. Primer on the heat. Primer on the heat. As Cash Money Records taking over for the 99 and the 2000. Smooth as butter. Next up, torn drywall paper. Shut up! I know it lost its connection like 3 weeks ago. Before, we don't even have to try, it's always a good time. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. You can see some caulked cracking. What? Check?
Check's good.
Okay. Oh, you're rolling. Pause. Hey, Kevin.
Hey, what's up?
Thanks for taking the trash in, by the way.
No problem.
Okay. What a guy. Once I get it, Lauren, it's gonna be cool. Told you. No, no. I made a hole. Wish I was better at painting. No, I don't, because then I'd have to do it more. Boy, it sure does make everything look so much better, though, doesn't it?
Sorry, what was that?
I know what you're trying to do, Lauren. I'm trying to fill this crack in. So basically, trying to film a crack in. Window trim on the outside of your house. Did you get a good shot of that? Are you sure? You can even chisel it this way. No, bad idea. I'm gonna be vacuuming the grass. Not today, guys, we're filming over here. 2 side pieces. That's my side piece. It's like a human table saw. There's more than one way to skin a cat. I don't know what that saying even means. Have you seen the side of this house? It's fine. A little caulking. And now, since we cut right at that line, what are you gonna say? Nothing? You can see that this is not even. That's okay. A lot of houses are little long again. What are you doing, Matt? Always punch it. But it. Never claimed to be that good at caulking. Okay, leave it alone. Don't touch it. Won't see that from the road. Right? Touch it. Hold this, will you? Chuck, 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 chuck. Yuck. Don't mind my paint line. It's a little crooked. It didn't dry out and keep. If you didn't have any, it's just this stuff is so clingy. Kind of like my B-roll. Rotted threshold B-roll. Is that efflorescence? I think so. Or is it caulking?
I think caulking.
I think it is, yeah. And at this point, this is kind of the moment of no return, which is what I want. I don't want these falling off. I don't want these falling oscophy. Why, Matt? Why do you have to say that? Stupid. Ah, there's a bug in my ear. Right now. Was that weird? Right now. Is that better or worse?
If you needed to replace a rotted door threshold, I hope this video helps you out. Make sure you subscribe for more awesome content with your buddy Matt. the fixer.
In this video, I'm going to show you how I built, nope, cut. It's going to be really easy. So check it out. Background in to what I'm thinking. Oh, you're filming. Now I needed to just. I swear to God, today is a day. I'm so funny! I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. I can't think of it right now, though. Now I'm gonna cut a screw it off. Yep, as I suspected. Hit the other screw. Don't go anywhere, no! Oh, that didn't work. Cut. So I know that this is a white cover and this is, what do you call it?
Beige,
Beige.
tan.
Frickin' bee.
Hi, little pal.
Yeah.
We did the nap today.
Hello, little pal, baby.
What are we doing here? This is a continuation. Don't show me tightening this with the needle nose pliers. That's stupid. I should have read the instructions. Basically, you can use this. So I'm gonna loosen that. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Oh, that's why, because it's not on the top. And I'm just gonna bring this up. It already fell. New plan. Try not to drop it on my head as I bring this up. Woo, close. The bottom of this piece. Might want to step back. And that's why. Skeeters. Wow. Wow. No idea what that is. You vine no more. You're cool, bro. Hold on. Bless you. Always reach as far as you possibly can on a ladder. Ow. That hurt. Oh, same hole. Nice job. Try again. Nope. Nope. And then you can pull that screw right out and it won't do anything for you. And if they just keep in mind, I don't like this little lip that this has. That creates a gap. Did I cut that off? No, probably not, huh? Cut that out of there. Don't say that. Don't mention that. Oops. Used to be the good side.
Good.
Hi. And you just want to make sure it's... If you wanted to make these perfect, you can take the overall length, which is, we'll say, 70.5, and divide it by 3. I don't know why. Let's cut this part out. Try and hammer these flat, because I missed right here. You got a little dent. It's okay. Maybe it's not worth it to you. I mean, it's, I bet. And because PV trim, well, PV trim, yeah, okay. Cut out the struggle, Lauren. I'm not gonna pull this trim off to, should I pull this trim off and redo it? Oh, spider. Oh, spider. Every single finger joint. Watch, it's gonna break right here. Yeah, make me a liar. Missed a spot. These shims moved. Whoa! Whoa! Get in there. I don't want to show this, but
Okay.
I'm gonna try to not make a mess. Got it on the J channel. Because I ran out up here. This is why I hate spray foam. Best thing to do is just let it cure, not mess with it. Aw. I broke my coping saw blade. Hey, that might make it easier. Hope I don't need my coping saw. So I just need, excuse me. Yeah, Lauren, does it look good?
Looks great.
Just show this working really well. Not parts like that. Oh, almost stepped backwards. That would've sucked. Ow! Okay, well, don't have much to work with now. Definitely gonna cut myself with this. Need one of those long knives, the breakaway knives. Those work better. What's that, Lauren?
Great.
How's it going? How do you think this video is? The best video you've ever filmed?
Probably.
I thought so. You could try and waterproof this, put some butyl tape here, cover this all up. I don't have any, so. Okay, 45. Gotta plug the saw in, Matt. Had all that time to do it. Farting around. I go home. Ready? Because I am. People are gonna yell at me for doing a cross hand. Looks like that piece on the bottom's a little long. Maybe I should have done this trim first. Into here, and then they're gonna be hidden by the, what is that called? The track.
Door. The frame?
Yeah, frame. I think that's gonna be hidden.
We'll find out.
Before I hang my storm door, I'm just gonna sand it, caulk it, paint it, and before I hang my storm door, I'm just gonna clean this up, caulk it, paint it, and I don't know what to say. You're just gonna show a quick snippet of this. I don't mind mentioning that I don't like painting. Said it before, I'll say it again. I'm not that great at it either, so that doesn't help. Sure that's the angle you want?
Well,
Maybe like this? Okay, wherever you think you can see. I'm gonna be like this.
Oh, okay, so on your left, this side. Gonna be on this side?
Sure. Are you all over the place?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay.
Do you know what it is? I'm seeing my shadow wicked.
Where?
Or if I'm standing
Oh,
here.
right there?
Yeah.
Here, why don't I go right here?
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, I was gonna move.
Oh, you're good. Oh, this way.
I have to move. It's all dried up. Ah, pause. Oh my God, look at my boots. I think the glue was dripping. God. Shut up, Lauren. My God, I'm gonna get it everywhere. Okay. I have 80 and 5/8. Eighths. That's why I say eighths. So could you see yourself?
Now I can.
Okay. So my hinge side, I'm gonna go home and we can peel off the other side if we can. Hold on. Wow. Wow. Are you serious? These are the worst. Didn't think this would be hard. Lauren, why is this so hard? Ridiculous. Now we're done. Let's go home. You also don't need this little foam piece here. Take that off if you can. Now for the door sweep, I'm gonna add this door sweep fin, this slide sweep fin.
Yep.
Slide sweep. Oh no, slide. That's saying slide the sweep fin in. Flathead? No, they're not. Well, technically they are. Whatever. Cut that out. So, I know.
Sorry.
I'm gonna use 1-inch painted screws. You can also pre-drill these if you want. I'm gonna try not to. Dropping my screw. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah. It is the bit and the screw. Here we go. My back is gonna be smoked after this. Going lefty, don't miss. Oh. Again, pre-drill if you want. I'm being risky. A little too risky. Could you grab that for me? You need a battery, Lauren. Yeah, because there's glass and I don't want to mess anything up. Find that hole. There we go. This shouldn't be the hard part.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Why would you pick those two?
To put it in the right place so the door closes properly. That's why, Lauren. Is that a widow ant? What is it? It's so small. It's a widow ant. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you can get all notifications of home repair content. Yeah, get B-roll, get pictures, get stuff. I think it's gonna rain. Good day to do this, huh? Whoa.
7. The top went backwards?
Don't make fun of me. Want to zoom in case an animal comes out of here? This is awkward. That's what I mean by it can be difficult to cut. Ugh. Oh no, I'm gonna make a mess. I gotta play the game? What the hell does that mean? No, get out of here, Spidey. Black Widow. Oops. I'll just leave it like this. It's fine. I'll deal with it. Just cut all that, Lauren. It's similar shots to the shots you got originally.
Yeah.
Shots, 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 shots. Everybody! Let me go home now, Lauren. Matt, you cannot go home. You need to stay here and make this video and fix this siding for your in-laws. Or else. Or else what, Lauren? Or else I'm not gonna be your friend anymore. Oh, okay, Lauren, I'm sorry. With the changes of the seasoning, or if you have friends, I don't, they could help you. I don't need anybody. Now let's see if we can get this one in there. Where do I start? No point in rushing now. Get in there. Try and do it this way. I seen fire and I seen rain. Come on now, spin. Why is it not spinning? Okay, just need to spin it in there. Oh, it's this light. This was stupid. It's a stupid idea. I'd be sitting in the basement right now, editing. I should have just taken this siding off. It's just not going right here. Oh, I'm hitting a nail. Ah, how much of an overlap there. Sheesh. Just very tight right here. Nope. Gonna have to take this piece out. Whoa. I'm getting so frustrated. Why would you do it that way? Why don't you just do it this way? Blah, 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 blah. Siding can be sharp too, by the way. Just cut myself. God, that did not feel good. Oh my God. You're kidding me. Oh, this is so frustrating. Pull this down. Nope, cut that out. Ow, wrong nail. Urgh. Probably got that on camera, huh?
Sure did.
Oh. Fuck. This day sucks. Good luck editing this one, Lauren. What is this?
Baseboard heat.
So, let's get to it. No, this is stupid. Hot water heat enclosure unit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a... Oh my God. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace... Oh my God. Oh, I didn't want that to happen. Is that even working? I'm just gonna erase my marks. Come on! Make a new mark to get the pencil out of there. Eraser. Okay, all right. And I'm gonna be using my shed for this video. Most obvious sign that you have mice is seeing a mouse in your house. Mouse in your house. Mouse in your house. Bouncing a mouse. These little tiny, they look like sprinkles, but you're not gonna wanna put those on your ice cream. I don't know how they do it. They're contortionists, I don't know. And the trails that they leave are basically their own feces and dirt, everything that they're on their little fucking feet, small little points in the, I gotta take a number 3. Do I look cool right now? Please don't jump out at me, mouse. Or on your own before we end. And that's what you're trying to do. My God, stop. Go up this entire thing. Let's try that again. As you can see, they could, oh my God. Mice got you down. Look at that right there. Ooh. So if you had a mouse problem and you wanted to stop them dead in their tracks. So I have been in my house, wait, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. It is starting, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, you're still rolling, okay. I don't know what I'm doing now. Okay. Yeah. You gonna back up? Okay. Until I'm ready to do the flooring throughout the entire first floor. Hi, Coda. Can I help you? Paul. You missed. Oh, whatever. Make a wall just flat. Make it nice and flat so that you didn't even know an opening was there. Paste opening, pry bar, and take this off, and that was kind of awkward when I dropped everything. Not create more damage than, but you might damage this. So I am gonna try, I am gonna use 3-inch construction screws. This is why is today impossible? Just a little tip. Know what I'm saying? Perfectly plumb. Not too tight. That's too tight, and you just pull it out of the car. It's a hack I saw on TikTok. Last time you're gonna be able to do that. Excuse me, Coda. I'm trying to work here. Yeah, just go right in there. The old Kid Blocker 5000. The opening in the frame. I need to make the opening. Let's do it. Ooh, I got messed up. So cool. What a waste. Nope, opposite. Terrible. Truck line. Does that make sense? Did you see a spark?
No.
Oh, I did. I hear heat pipes. I will not stand for this. Guess it's been a while since I used that framing gun. Looked like a hack. Maybe I am a hack. So if I'm doing a 36-inch door, so if I was installing a 36-inch, and you can't see that, Lauren.
Nope, not at all.
Like that. Make this look better, Lauren. Whoa! Whoops. Not reading instructions. Ah! Oh, come on. Think you can get this nail out? I doubt it. The old side hammer. Oh, God, don't do this. Of course, I had to get it into the joist, didn't I? Oh my God. Wow, I look like a real jackass right now, don't I? At least I know they're solid. You step on that, please. Another bracket. Oh no, I showed you that. A 2/8 door, a 2'8" door.
32.
Is it?
24 plus 8, 32.
Okay, but isn't that weird that it's like, whew, I don't like that. This is definitely gonna be easier with 2 people. Not a big fan of, don't do it, it's not worth it to risk it. You're right, not over this shit, drop the. All right, let's start with this one. Kind of hard to see. Just tilt it. Oh yeah, this is gonna be tricky. Maybe I'll do it from the side. Can I? Not with this carpet in the way. A quick rundown as well. Start it over. I'm happy you did. If you did, I'm happy you did. Also, I wanted to, nope, thing in a load-bearing wall. And Coda's gonna bark, and I'm gonna smack him. By talking about, nope, how much weight is, start it over. Weight. Gonna make, nope. Hold on. Okay, all good? And that way, let's cut it. I should be cutting this with a circular saw though, to tell you the truth. 1/2 inch will work, plywood. Oh my God. I'm also shooting. Got me. Does it matter? No, not really. Why do I care? I don't know. I didn't have all these wires. I mean, kids getting curious. Right, Lauren? No kids getting curious. Craftsman! You're definitely not an electrician. No shit! How'd that look, Lauren? Whoa! Oh, you're gonna make me get the ladder? Skip that one. Oh my God. Must be a knot there. Some just don't want to cooperate. Like that one. Are you ready? First thing I want to do is take a look at trim. I'm going to cut this carpet right on that line. I love you better. Just say so. Hold it nice and, oops. But I'm not going to risk it for the biscuit. Let's start. Shut up, Coda! Shut up! Fill any vertical holes in case there is a fire. I can hope not. Case, but in, you got to do insulation. Do you have to? Depends on where you live, I think. Well, no. Oh, you could probably just end it there. Okay, cut.
Yep.